Hello, hello, hello everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning America. It's another beautiful Monday morning. And today is Mama Mary's birthday. Full day because I believe every day, every gising is a blessing. And I know like it's one of the beautiful experience, yesterday in the Philippines, my niece's wedding. Congratulations to Dave and Angela Compualo. So congratulations, wishing you the best, good health and more blessing, especially for you journey of your life being a married couple. Congratulations to both of you. Kamustahan lang po, almost more than a week na hindi po ako nakapag-live kasi meron po tayong last week medyo masama talagang pakiramdam ko, so I need to isolate myself. I need to stay home for a few days. So ngayon it's time to back to work, and being grateful and thankful kasi I realize how important the good health and how important the family, and to give priority what is the best things in your life. So right now I'm just sharing with you a quick reminder. This month of September is the month of self-care, and of course it's a financial awareness month too. So it's very important for us to how to taking care of ourselves, how to taking care of our finances, how to give priority what is the most important in our life. Yun talaga yung pinaka magandang gagawin natin sa buhay. Palaging happy, and despite sa buhay hindi naman talaga perfecto, but may mga challenges, or in Tagalog mga pagsubok, pero you need to remain faithful to God. You need to strengthen yourself na through faith with God. Hindi ka pabayaan, lalo ka maging matibay, lalo ka maging matatag. Ako actually, the more may challenges sa buhay, the more may mga pagsubok that give me inspiration to go on in life. Kasi magandang buhay na may pananampalataya tayo at naniwala tayo na there's always a beautiful blessing from God. Hello, good morning Ella Bartolo. I'm not sure morning, afternoon, evening sa iyo kung saan ka mga watching right now. Gusto ko lang mega shout out sa lahat ng mga tao na nagsuporta at nagmamahal para sa akin, sa pamilya ko, sa mga tao sa paligid ko. Maraming salamat sa inyo, at saka gusto ko rin pasalamatan na bawat gising sa umaga, pasalamatan yung Panginoon kasi all things happen in this world, there's a reason behind, at saka lahat ng bagay is a blessing from God too. So thank you Lord for another beautiful day, for another day full of blessing, a day that full of hope and inspiration, kasi Monday is one of my important days of the week na you start your day with a motivation, how to start your week or your day, na you have a goal in life, what's your plan, what you can do the best thing in your life. Yun talagang mahalaga na sa bawat oras, umaga or sa unang araw ng linggo, na yung paggising, balik trabaho, back to normal life or reality after the weekend, you have a goal in life. Palagi ka talaga may gustong mararating, meron ka mga pangarap na gustong tuparin habang nasa mundo tayo. Either you're healthy or unhealthy, or may kapansanan ka o may sakit ka, hindi ka mawala ng pag-asa at hindi ka mawala ng bagay na mangarap at maniniwala. Kasi every day when you wake up, it's a blessing from God, especially the gift of life na binigay ng Panginoon sa atin. Kasi, sa experience ko sa buhay ko, ang daming nangyayari sa araw-araw nating buhay, but if there's always God who take care of you, hindi kanya pabayaan at lalo kanya i-bless. So, nandito na tayo malapit sa work ko. I having a hard time to find a parking. Kailangan ko mag-U-turn at maghanap ako ng parkingan. Sandali lang. Okay, balik tayo doon. Importante sa pagkagising sa umaga, appreciate natin yung mga blessing na binigay ni Lord sa atin. Appreciate natin yung mga magandang bagay nangyari sa buhay natin, either good or bad. Kasi sometimes yung bad is a reason behind. Kagaya sa akin, supposedly I went to the Philippines last Thursday. Hindi natuloy kasi meron parang mission. May purpose pala si Lord kung bakit ako hindi natuloy. Kasi meron pala akong blessing na mangyayari sa akin na I need to prepare for it, hindi ko masabihin until everything final. So, yun talaga yung buhay natin na may mga, lahat ng bagay may mga dahilan. May mga bagay na, excuse me, pasensya na kasi kagagaling ko lang sa sakit last week. Kaya I just came back to work today. May mga bagay minsan na hindi mo maintindihan what the God's will for you. But if you understand God's will, after that you will realize na, oh, tama pala. Mabuti pala hindi ako natuloy sa Pilipinas kasi meron palang mas maganda, mas priority na ibibigay si Lord para sa akin. Again, guys, thank you so much and I love you all and mabuhay. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.